What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking L doing a giveaway. This is a spillover from the Super Bowl championship from the other night. The Eagles won, so it was a good one, and I asked you guys to fill me in on some of the memories you remember from sports. Didn't matter which ones, man. I went through all of them, and there's some good memories. There are lots of sports and lots of different games, lots of different memories. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the giveaway. Only one winner is going to take home $40 break credit. We're going to go ahead and do that now. We're live. Good luck. 4 times on the random, as always, 932 in Newfoundland. And here's your list. It's a long one. Brady, all the way down to Stacy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go 4 randoms. You had to be in a break since 2018 started. So if I hit the 4th random and someone's on top of the list who's not in a break in 2018, I'm going to hit the beginning of the 5th time to find the winner who has been. All right, so let's get this started. Good luck. 1, 99, cool. 2, and 3. You got timestamp on 3 and 4. Timestamp here. 3 is at 9:33. 9:33. Last and final random's going to do it. So Jason's on top after 3. Top name after 4 wins it. Good luck. Frank White. Congrats, Frank. Frank has been in a break within 2018. So Frank White Jr., you are taking it home, brother. Congrats. 4th random. Let's get your timestamp. Big win. I know you'll be happy with that. There you go. 4th timestamp is at 9:33, and 9:33 it is. So congratulations again after